Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Wallet not working on your mobile device. If your app keeps crashing, won't open, or just isn't functioning right, don't worry, follow these simple steps and we'll have it running smoothly again in no time. Let's get started. First, you want to open your settings app on your phone. You can usually find it in your home screen or in your app drawer. And once you're inside, you want to scroll down and look for apps. This one. This is where all your installed applications are managed. Then in the search bar at the top, you want to search and look for Google Wallet. Just type in wallet. There we go. Now keep in mind, Google Wallet is not yet available in our country, but its launch date is expected in Q4 of 2025. So sometime around October to November or to December. But for now, let's just go ahead and use another app. But it basically works the same way. For example, this is my Google Wallet. Once you choose this, what you want to do is you want to tap on Force Stop at the bottom. A small pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Just go ahead and confirm by selecting OK. Now this stops any background process that might be causing glitches, giving the app a clean restart. After that, you can also tap on Storage, this one. Here, you can select Clear Data by confirming and tapping Delete, and this will reset the app's data, clearing any cached files or temporary issues that might be interfering with performance. You can also choose to clear data from here. Now, if the issues continues, just go back to your main settings and select mobile data, and just make sure that background data and data usage while data saver is on or both enabled. Now, this will ensure Google Wallet can work properly even when your phone is trying to save data. Now, if it's still not working, just go ahead and open your Google App Play Store. Just look for Google Wallet and go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the app. And a fresh install can fix many persistent issues. And basically, that's it. Your Google Wallet app should now be working perfectly again. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.